Hello guys, Harlan first to tell you in this tutorials how to roll back or downgrade iOS. Either it is a signed or unsigned IPSW, how to roll backs on any iPhones without data loss. So firstly we will check it out in the manually. Your iPhone is recommending to a downgrade from latest updated iOS or not. If it is not that, what's the easy way to a downgrade? Either it is IPSW unsigned or signed IPSW. So firstly we will have to tap on especially, that is your iPhone setting. In iPhone setting guys, here just we will have to come to general 2 of course. We will have to tap on a software update and we will check it out what's iOS is currently. It's saying that up to date iOS 18.5. You don't have any opportunity to downgrade guys. So how done? So in that condition of course we will have to go for an administration, that is a one tool, that is a 3U tool guys. Just we will go for run as administration, that is a 3U tool. So let's see, it's taking time guys here, just let it open. Yes, it will open, but a little bit it will take time guys. Now it has been open. We will check it out that what's iOS is recommending here from latest updated to a downgrade options. So just we will click on a smart flash options, and as we see here we have a one option that is 18.4. here is 18.5. so 18.5 beta to 18.3 on that also we can reach here 18.4 that also we can. But if you would like to go on a 17, we would like to go on a 16 iOS, how would I go for? Here is options, and that is the import. So in imports without data loss, we will have to select especially IPSW with retaining data. So here just we will click on especially in firmware, and the firmware also here we will have to select the model number. Suppose here we have especially iPhones here. Let's see, iPhone 16, so Pro Max. Now what's iOS latest beta version, the 18.5 fans. But when we would like to go with the especially on iOS 18.5 to especially 18.4 or 18.3, till here it is especially organized or signed IPSW. You can wherever you would like to downgrade. After coming here, once again you will have the furthermore opportunity to a downgrade from here. But of course directly you would like to impose here this IPSW from 18.5 to 17.2 and then you will have to download, and after downloading of course you will have to keep on your especially in any hard disk, and upon you will have to import. So where we can import, so just we will click on a smart flash options. In a smart flash we will come in a easy flash there of course, and directly we will click here and you will have an opportunity to downgrade. Suppose there one firmware I have actually. Now see here this one, if you would like to import, so just like download it, directly we will open after selection and it will start to verify there, and after imports just we will have it. But right now guys I would like to go with especially 18.3 RC. So just we will start to download it. It will take a little bit time here to download. So see, it has started to download, but it's taking time, approximately half an hour it will take. So guys, so after downloading of course we will try to go for the flash of that. So the video would be lengthy guys here, but after downloading of course, see here it has started to download, and after downloading we will select the retain user data, means if an application would be a retain continue without losing any data. Directly we will have to enter the screen passcode of this device, and we will yes open with here 18.3 RC. So if you would like to downgrade rollbacks without losing any data, then you will have to come with this similar status download, and directly you will select the retain user data and go for flash. If you hit, then directly would be within 10 minutes. Yes, you will be able to from 18.5 to the 18.3 RC. But in organized forms, how do you especially? I have already mentioned to you, and especially the firmware that unorganized forms download. Keep on your hard disk, then directly you will have to import, and after importing of course you will have to select the quick flash mode, this option, and the phone hit this one, so flash option, so that Yes, your unorganized or unsigned especially IPSW would be especially installed on your iPhones and the phone. What is it? Especially why we will downgrade. Sometimes due to the bug or yes, compatible zones that if you have actually use of the particular that iOS, then you would like to go back on that. Then that is, and second things that if you would like to jailbreak of iOS, then of course go for downgrade of these things. And if you are applying to the bypass, and of course terminate the iCloud activation lock lines upon install from any iPhone device. That time also we are going with the jailbreaks, and when with the jailbreaks if we unlocks, then what will happen, guys? Here, yes, we will have actually, yes, we will have we need especially downgraded iOS so that we can jailbreak, and after jailbreaks and this will be easier to unlock. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. It's taking much more time here because the total size of 8 GB and is still actually approximately 1% is still I couldn't download it, so it will take time. After downloading, of course, we'll go for it. So this is all about, guys, and gradually in a with signed form, if you would like to download, go with the special out of them. So this is all about. For the moment, of course, I had to quite below the comment was the pleasure would be managed to reply your comment, guys. And I had like this in this tutorial. Leave the feedbacks and drop the feedbacks below the comments box or in the comments box. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.